Hi everyone. In a previous screencast, I talked a little bit about finding out if the article you're looking at comes from a peer-reviewed journal, and then it occurred to me that many people may not know how to do that. So I thought we'd try and do that today in this screencast. So first of all, here we are on the library homepage. Everybody should be able to get to that, and we're going into the journal databases. Now, rather than go into the subject ones down here, we're going to head into the U one because it's Ulrichsweb we're looking for. So we go in here and have a look at this. And here it is. Now in here we can enter title or ISSN. Now why don't we start with Journal of Clinical Nursing. So what we'll be able to see when it loads, and it'll just take a second to do that. Let's move you across a bit. So here's the Journal of Clinical Nursing to start with. So here we see it has a table of contents, refereed. So any of these ones down here are refereed. So for example, this one here is not refereed. Okay, so that's important to note. Now, some of these other signals are open access and reviewed. Okay, so what we can see from the Journal of Clinical Nursing they are peer reviewed, so or refereed, which means peer reviewed. Okay, now let's try another one. So there we go, and again it's reviewed. But if we were to pop down, so if we were just to put in nursing, okay, so there's a lot of journals that are not peer reviewed. Okay, so for example, this one called Professional Nurse, it's got table of contents, but it's not peer reviewed. Okay, so that's how you find out. So that's going to be useful for you to use both now and when you're doing your critique and literature review, and on to when you leave.